Okay, so we're really starting to click along now. I showed you last time how to set up the widgets and sidebars for the primary navigation here, and I paused and said I wanted to stop right before we change the color. And the reason why is because color palettes and colors individually are handled in a specific way with this theme, and you're probably going to like it. So let's first go to our composition here and get the actual color we're talking about. So it looks like I'm going to put my cursor in there, then I'm going to use the character palette to see that this color is an off-white. I'm just going to copy the actual hex value right there. Then I'm going to go back to our WordPress CMS admin, and I'm going to open a new tab here. It's going to be HBGS settings. And so under HBGS settings, you're going to see a bunch of different sub options, and we're going to choose CSS style options. Under here, we're going to see color options. So we're going to click color options. And one of the things, actually, what we're going to do first is we're going to actually open color palette. I'm sorry. So we click color palette to open this up. And so here's our color palette. This is what our color palette looks like right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look, and this can all change. But we're going to look at our composition here, and it looks like the links in here are that off-white color. So we don't actually have to add a new color to our color palette. All we need to do is change the existing value of the link color. So we're just going to change that right there. And the link visited color will make this the same color. The link active color will make it a pure white. And the link hover color will make a pure white as well. And then we're just going to click, actually we have to do this one at a time. I apologize. We have to do this one at a time, unfortunately. So I'm just going to copy this, we have it, and click update color. Then go back to color palette, paste this here, update color, color palette, add the pure white, update color, color palette, and then notice also the box to the right updated to match the color so you can see what the actual color is. And then we're just going to add that right there and click update color for the link hover color. And so now we've set our default link hover color. So now if we go back to our page here and refresh, you see it changes automatically our link text. Now notice this here disappeared because it's white on white now, but that's okay. But see, that's the basics of using the color palette. Now, to add another color, for example, we have default text color, so you can change that as well. But what happens if you want to actually add a new color to the color palette? Well, that's really easy. You just type in the name and the value. So let's go back to our composition here and grab an example color. So here we have here's some like header text right here. So let's see what we're using for this header text color here. So it looks like this is a yellowish. We'll grab the hex color and we'll say yellow, and we'll just call it heading. And then we'll click add color. So now nothing on our design is going to use that by default because we just added that. It's brand new. So what happens if you want to actually use that in, say, your sidebar? Say, for example, this widget we have over here. We have this contact us. If we go in here and we get the selector for it, we're just using Firebug. We see the selector is going to be widget ID, which is this gridded text widget, H group, and then H3 widget title. So really widget title. So what we're going to do is do our widget ID and then class widget title, and then we're going to do color, and this is the special convention, ampersand, colon, and then the name of that of the color that we assigned to that value. So that's exactly what it's going to look like. Let's save this, and we'll go back and we'll refresh this page. And voila, I see it changed the color. No, it really didn't. So I messed up somewhere. Oh, and just like me, it's because I actually put the CSS style information in the text box and not actually in the styles box. So let's go here and click save and then give it a whirl. And there you have the new color. And that's how you use the color palette. We'll keep going in the next episode.